The function p is given by p of x equals negative x to the 6th plus 2x to the 8th minus 3. Which of the following describes the end behavior of p? So what I need to do is I need to take a look at this guy and try to figure out what my graph looks like. If you're looking at negative x to the 6th and thinking, that is a negative function, x to the 6th, you're doing it wrong because that's not the leading term. You are the leading term. And since this is a positive, x to the 8th, it's an even degree. You are going to start at the top, a bunch of stuff happens, blah, 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 who cares? And then you end at the top as well. So as I move to the left, my limit as x approaches negative infinity, which is decreasing without bound of, what is this, p of x, is going to be moving up. My limit as x goes to the left is going up positive infinity. My limit as x approaches the right without bound, approaches positive infinity, is also going to be positive infinity, which appears to be u. So be careful about that leading coefficient stuff. That's serious business.